Baby, me heart, woman like me, oh baby.
I'm still fresh like, I'm still number one.
And hit the school going and me get the feeling. DJ Noiz.
I'm a bad boy.
Real nigga with it. Yeah, I'm expensive. Put me in the game, cause they know that I'm the
I'm representing for the gangsters all across the world. Still hitting them corners and them lolos, girl.
Still taking my time to perfect the beat. This ain't shit but a warning till my album drop.
Yo, I'm getting ready to put y'all up on something, man.
How you doing, ma? This your song, ma. Yeah, come on, ma. This your song, ma. We can get it on, ma. This your song, ma. This your song, ma. This your song.
Every time you see me ballin', all my old bitches callin'. Pull up in anxiety, I see a little bitch jockin'. Tryna get saved, she wanna get saved. I ain't gon' save her. Tryna get saved, she wanna get saved. I ain't gon' save her. Tryna get saved, she wanna get saved. I ain't gon' save her. Tryna get saved, she wanna get saved. I ain't gon' save her. Yeah.
Look up in the sky, it's a bird, it's a plane. What's that nigga name? Got to save a hoe, man. He ain't me and I ain't him. He a bozo, I'm a real. She take after her auntie, got her mind on my money. Tattoo on her tummy, booty hella chunky. Every time I see her, she look nicer and nicer. Haters throw shade like a sun visor. I told her that I'm broke though I'm having my guap. Bitch, I ain't rescue Ronnie, I ain't Captain Save a Thought. Bitch, make me rich. Follow my commands and I grant you a whip. I'm just a real one from the gravel, from the soil to mud. Well, some of my thugs ain't never been to a club. She ain't looking for love, she just wanna take a ride with the plug. Cause she
Tryna get saved, she wanna get saved. I ain't gon' save her. Tryna get saved, she wanna get saved. I ain't gon' save her. Tryna get saved, she wanna get saved. I ain't gon' save her. Tryna get saved, she wanna get saved. I ain't gon' save her. Yeah.
All night long we dancing on the floor, we grinding round and round, we flirting. And I heard him say, all night long we dancing on the floor, we grinding round and round, we flirting. And I heard him say,
Man, I'm caught up between the two. I don't know what to do. Should I be honest and just tell them both the truth? Damn, what should I do? And I know they know each other, I know that it's wrong, but I can't fight my feelings no more. And she don't know that you be riding this horse polo, begging me to hit it raw. I be like, no. And when I'm with shorty, I be texting at the same time. My best friend don't not to hit my main line. I wish I could fuck 'em at the same time. Got 'em go stripping for a nigga on the FaceTime. If they find out about this, I know that they gon' be trippin', so gotta play it cool, or both of these bitches might wait too real. Can't let them find out, it's gonna get real. It's about to go down. And if I had it my way, I had both of them narrow. If I had it my way, just me and my two bad bitches on the side area. Me and my two bad bitches get real. It's about to get real. It's about to
Nothing but big things. Check the hit list. How we twist shit. What changed but the name? We still here. You're rocking with the best. Don't worry if I write rhymes. I write checks. Who's the boss? Dudes is lost. Don't think cause I'm iced out I'ma cool off. Who else but me? And if you don't feel me, that means you can't touch me. It's ugly. Trust me. Trust me.
This girl I know, she been working hard all week. Want you to know you can live a little for me. Trying to get you out, come close. Oh, this is how we do it, shot it before you go. Tell me, baby, tell me what you're doing tonight. Where you going, who you with, what you fucking with? Oh, baby, tell me what you're doing tonight. You been working hard for the money, baby. Let me get these drinks on me. I want you till it's early in the morning. It's me, you, and Hennessy. I said the party's on, it don't get no better. This is how you do it, shawty. Oh, let me hold you down, make you feel better. This is how you do it, shawty. Say yes to me, baby, and I'm on my way. This is how you do it, shawty. Oh, tell me now, don't make me wait. This is how you do it, shawty. This girl I know, she been working hard all week. Want you to know you can live a little for me. Trying to get you out, come close. Oh, this is how we do it, shot it before you go. Tell me, baby, tell me what you're doing tonight. Where you going, who you with, what you fucking with? Oh, baby, tell me what you're doing. And baby, if you wanna get blow you out when we get back home. I want you to strip, yeah. Really, can you do it? I said the party's on, it don't get no better. This is how you do it, shawty. Oh, let me hold you down, make you feel better. This is how you do it, shawty. Say yes to me, baby, and I'm on my way. This is how you do it, shawty. Oh, tell me now, don't make me wait. This is how you do it, shawty. This girl I know, she been working hard all week. Want you to know you can live a little for me. Oh, live a little for me. Oh, this is how we do it, shawty. Before you go, baby. Tell me, baby, tell me what you're doing tonight. Tell me what you're doing, tell me what you're doing. Where you go, who you with, what you fucking with tonight? What you doing tonight? Oh, baby, tell me what you're doing tonight. Devon Terrell, weirdo.
Ladies, leave your man at home. The club is full of ballers and they pockets full grown. And all you fellas, leave your girl with her friends. Cause it's 11:30 and the club is jumping, jumping. Ladies, leave your man at home. The club is full of ballers and they pockets full grown. And all you fellas, leave your girl with her friends. Cause it's 11:30 and the club is jumping.
I ain't never lost a friend. And if I ever did, then fuck them niggas. Steal money over bitches. Fucked up power money, ruin friendships. I'm the nigga with the check, girl. I'm the nigga put these diamonds on your neck, girl. I got the juice, baby. I just wanna spend it on you, baby. All my niggas getting down, we stay real. I still take a nigga, bitch, fuck how you feel. No old bitches in a brand new crib. All 10 toes stomped down, I be on my shit. And I ain't never lost a friend. If I ever did, then fuck them niggas. And it's still money over bitches. Fucked up our money, ruin friendships. Fucked up our money, ruin friendships.
Don't try to front, I'll leave your ass slump. Thinking I'm a pump, get your fucking head lump. 50 got a gun, ready here it come. Gotta sit bend, gotta get this. Cheddar me my butt, better the drama. Set a sip on up, better my flow set. Better than average, on track, I'm a savage, I damage. Any nigga tryna front on my clip.
I'm tryna talk to you, but the music too loud. Girl, I know a quiet place where we could vibe out. I ain't like your ex, you could let your guard down. Tell your girls you with a real one so they could calm down. Oh, let's ride out. Oh, let's ride out. Yeah, got the car outside if you ready. Only if you ready. Tell them valet niggas go and get it. Only if you ready.
Tell the valet go and get it. For this whole gang, I'm one of the villains. Got a badass body on the feelings. And this beat so hard, you gotta feel it. I just fell in love with the west side. Come get high, let me take you on a jet ride. If you ready, I can show you what the set like. So far, so I see you on my left eye.
Baby, you got everything that a nigga want. I just wanna put you on. And I just wanna see you with them biggies on. Better yet, with them off. Oh, let's ride out. Oh, let's ride out. Yeah, I got the car outside if you ready. Only if you ready. Tell them valet niggas go and get it.
Yeah, baby.
Only if you ready.
I'm in my zone. Tell me what's good, would it be? Can't say I'm what you want, but I got what you need all night. It's alright, we could dance, but you gotta keep it up a little something like this.
Lies you were saying. Started off laughing, then I start to believe. Said you were staying, but you weren't lying. You thinking about leaving, walking out on me. Like all I've done, it wasn't for fun. And now you're not here, my heart still bleeds. You be acting so brand new, seeing someone else, but they choosing you. Oh yeah.
But why'd you call if you got other numbers to dial? Why'd you call if you've been seeing someone else? Why'd you call just to play with my heart? Why'd you call?